Hey friends, in this video I will show you some great digital tools to be a productive student in school or university. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maxi and I help you being successful as a student. So as a student, you need great digital tools to be as productive as possible. And I personally actually use all of them as a university student, but they are also great for students in school, as I'm very sad that I haven't discovered them earlier. Number one is Todolist as a to-do list. And a to-do list is a key element of a productivity system, as you can take down your tasks and have a nice overview of them, and you can also get them out of your head and make space for other stuff in your head. And Todolist is my favorite app for that, as it has a very cool minimalist design and you can personalize your colors, and it's also just very easy to put tasks down and then check them off again. Number two is Notion, and Notion can be pretty much any tool of those you need for a productivity system, but I personally use it mainly for project management to keep track of all my YouTube videos. But I also like using Notion for studying with a retrospective revision timetable, active recall and spaced repetition, as this can be implemented into Notion very easily. But I'll do a separate and more detailed video about that in the future. Number three is Google Calendar, as a calendar of course, and a calendar is also a key feature of every productivity system, as it helps you keeping track of all your events and lessons especially, and other meetings. And for the calendar, the Google Calendar is my personal favorite, as it has a great and easy user interface, it can be used on any device, and it's also very good integrated with Google Meet, so you can directly schedule your video calls out of your calendar. Number four is Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. Because as a student, you have to write many texts like summaries, essays and so on. You also have to do many presentations, and you might also have to do some calculations in a sheet. And for that, I recommend you using the Google applications, Sheets, Docs and Slides. And I recommend you using those because they are very easy to use, but still very powerful in their features. And the biggest plus is of course that they are absolutely free and you just need a Google account to get started. Number five is Google Drive. And the last tool I recommend for every student is cloud storage, as this is great for accessing files from different devices, and you also have like a backup of your files if any hardware problems might occur. And here I recommend you using Google Drive, as 15 gigs are completely free and the overall pricing is very good. And Google Sheets, Docs and Slides are very well integrated into it and auto-synced to your Google Drive. Google Drive also makes it easy for you to share files with your classmates or other students, as they usually have a Google account as well, so it's very easy for them to access your files. I'm confident that all of these tools will help you again to increase your productivity as a student. If you liked this video, you might also want to check out my video about the best iPad apps for every student. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.